Welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is hypergeometric functions. So we use this formula because you will get this for you can learn this formula in my hypergeometric short video. Okay, this formula I have already written using formula. A, B, C and Z. Okay, so it's gamma C divided by gamma B into gamma C minus B. So this is the formula, and integration 0 to 1 and t to the power, okay, it can be written 1 minus t whole to the power c minus b minus 1 divided by whole to the power a dt. This is the formula. So this formula I will use this formula. So 2f1 b is equal to n plus 3 by 2 considered with this formula, n plus 5 by 2 comma half. Okay, this formula I used in here. So I get gamma n plus 5 by 2 gamma n plus 3 by 2 and 0 to 1 t to the power n plus half divided by 1 minus t divided by 2 to the power 1 into dt. Okay, because a is equal to 1 and 1 minus t. Okay, c minus b because that is the c minus b equals to 0. C minus b minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, let's start to solve this problem. So I can write this way. So omega equals to, what is the value of okay, another factor that I can write 2n plus 3 plus 3 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1 t to the power n plus half into 2 minus t. Okay, okay friends, I hope it is clear. Now into dt. So now t is equal to 2 square. So I can write 2 root 2 2n plus 3 0 to 1, and t 0 to 1 means 1 by root over 2 x to the power 2n plus 2 divided by x square. This is the formula. Dx, okay, into 2 to the power. So friends, what is the value of omega? What is the value of omega? Let's check, let's view my total work. I just zoom because it is very simple. You can check. Let's see that 1 by 2 whole to the power n, and I get 2 to the power n multiply. So 2 to the power n and 2 to the power n is cut, and n plus 1 2n plus 3 easily you can get. So 2n plus 3 2n plus 3, you see in here 2n plus 3 2n plus 3 2n plus 3, and this 2n plus 3 is cut, and this 2 to the power n and this 2 to the power n is cut. So n plus 1 is remaining. Okay, so n plus 1 is remaining. So you will note that. Okay, you note that. So equals to 2 root 2 and 0 to 1 by root over 2. Okay, 0 to 1 by root over 2 summation n equals to 1 to infinity 1 by n plus 1 1 into x to the power 2n plus 2 so 2 root 2 into this value is equals to minus, because this value is log of 1 minus x square, so it can be written 0 to 1 by root 2 log 1 minus x square. Okay, minus is multiply and 1 minus x square dx. Okay, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Okay, so how it is clear, friends? Because you have to remember that log of 1 minus x equals to summation, minus is in here, n equals to 0 to infinity x to the power n divided by n. Okay, so this is the formula, and log 1 plus x is different, but it is not log 1 plus x, it is log 1 minus x square. So I can write minus 2 root 2 0 to 1 by root over 2 just using partial fraction. Okay, so I get ln 1 minus x. Okay, and this portion will be cut. Very simple problem, friends. This is not so much tough. Okay, so 1 minus x dx minus root over 2 0 to 1 by root over 2 ln 1 plus x divided by 1. Okay, so this way I can write, and dx minus root over 2 0 to 1 by root over 2 1 plus x. Okay, you can check also my partial fraction square 1 plus x square. Okay, so and another is minus root over 2, very simple calculation. Okay, ln 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x dx. Okay, so clear? I hope it is clear. Again, because okay, okay, now it is clear. Now it is clear. I hope that this portion is breakdown, is four part. Okay, it is broken into 4 parts. Hope it is clear. I hope now I increase my font size. Now I hope it is clear for everyone. Now I use the formula. Okay, dilogarithm formula, but not so much tough for understanding. So this portion, integrating this portion, whatever I get 1 by root 2 simple 1 by root 2. This is the ln 1 minus x, take ln minus 1 minus x is equal to t. Okay, so whatever I get 1 by root over 2 ln square 2 plus root 2 minus this question minus 1 by root 2 ln square 2 minus root 2. Okay, very simple. Now we get this portion. Okay, this portion can be written to li2 1 minus x divided by 2 li2 1 plus x divided by 2 plus ln2 ln. So friends, I hope it is clear. Now I just putting the value because my limit is 0 to 1 by root over 2. Just I use this value in here. So whatever I get, let's try to simplify more. I use, okay, I can write this problem in the simplification. After simplification, I got omega is equal to root over 2 li2 2 plus root over 2 divided by 4 minus root by 2. Okay, so divided by 4, sorry, 2 minus root over 2 divided by 4 minus root over 2 ln 2 ln 1 plus root over 2. Okay, so this way. Now I use Euler reflections formula. Using a reflection, so using Euler reflections formula, Euler identities, okay, you can say both way. So li2z equals to pi square by 6. I have already proved this formula in my check. Ln L minus z and ln z and minus li2 1 minus z. You can get this formula from Ali Shadahar books reference. Okay, so z equals to 2 minus root over 2 divided by 4. Ali Shadahar books or Cornell book. Okay, series is harmonic series books. You can get very good book is Cornell and Ali Shadahar. Okay, you can check also. So I just putting the value z equals to, so whatever I get z li2 2 minus root over 2 divided by 4. Okay, and equals to pi square by 6 ln 2 plus root 2 divided by 4 ln z equals to 2 minus root over 2 divided by 4 i2 1 minus z formula 2 plus root over 2 divided by 4. Okay, so this is the formula. So this formula I apply in here. So whatever I get the value is value of omega. Now I just putting the value of omega. So friends, omega equals to just substituting this portion total reflections formula, everything just you will substitute, and whatever I get 12 Li2 2 minus root over 2 divided by 4 minus pi square minus 6 into ln square 2 plus root over 2 2 plus 15. So friends, this is my total answer. Now you will check everything whatever I get, and if you get any help, okay, and tell me in my comment section that I okay. So please check my total work. I hope you can understand my total work. Okay, this formula is very simple. You know this formula is Gaussian formula. Yeah, Gaussian hypergeometric formula. So I hope it is very clear. Only just simple calculations. Yeah, you will calculate everything in yourself, and using most important is Euler reflections formula. If you don't know how to prove it, you get it in my channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope that my channel's videos is interesting for all genuine learner of mathematics. Okay, so now you can check more very good way. Okay, you can n equals to 0 to infinity minus into x to the power n is divided by n. Thanks for watching, and